Oh boy, a she a squirter. I put Alka-Seltzer inside of it. Oh, it's getting steamy in here. Oh baby. Ooh, clothes are coming off. Look at that. That's like triple X right there. I better upload this one to Pornhub and not YouTube. All right, we were just chilling, having a conversation, and my car is smoking right there.
Ooh, look at all that food.
My radiator.
You said you cracked it, right? Oh, you can hear it. Where's that coming from?
Yeah, it's coming from right there. You see it spitting out?
I see it right now.
Look at it. It's just spitting it out so fast. Oh boy, that's literally a stream of coolant right there.
That's actually a lot more coolant than I thought it was.
Yeah, it's a good thing I didn't drive it to Dallas.
Is it full of water or coolant right now?
All the above. Golly, my car is
It would have been
pissed.
fine if you weren't sitting here letting it idle.
Yeah, it probably would have been. I literally have a radiator in that garage right there. I just need to change it.
Doesn't sound like a real bug.
Is it a damselfly or a mayfly?
I think it might be a mayfly.
Tomorrow morning. Yeah, you want to see my new shift knob? Yeah, I didn't put that there. That was definitely not me. But I got a new shift knob for my friend Zorby. You should go follow him. Hey Zorby, I like your race car. It doesn't have the right pattern, but it still is a shift knob. That's all that matters. If y'all check my social media, you'd see that I did this for Daniel, and he painted the whole thing.
Your social media. Did you post about this?
Yeah, I reposted it.
I didn't know that.
I think I did. Follow Zorby's social media and you'll see it too.
Yeah.
Yeah, gang gang. His garage literally has the coolest lighting ever. But look inside of his Z. It's like not even there. See the motor? Yeah, it's like not even in it. Race car stuff. What is 35 XP?
The highest class, and 35 was my number.
Oh, so the highest class you're in?
Yeah, because I have a wing.
Oh.
Chassis mount wing automatically puts you there.
Really? That's kind of cool. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Po Boys. My car is having problems, like always. The radiator has a hole in it. I've already taken the radiator cap off, and look at that cap right there. That's pretty bad. But either way, I'm going to go ahead and take this radiator and replace it because the one I have is bad and it's got a hole in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get working on that. All right, so I'm gonna pull these pins. This isn't the right tool, but I mean, it's working, so I'm not arguing. Pull these guys.
It's a race car.
All right, looks like I'm going to need 10 and an 8, and I think I should be able to have everything I need. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this top side line off, then I'll be able to replace the whole thing. Oh, look at the freaking, it's bad. Everything's bad. I almost want to flush it a few times.
Bring the car over there and put the water hose right there.
Yeah, let's do that. We'll do that whenever we get the new radiator in before we connect everything. Oh, look, there's Jake. You like your exhaust? All right, so now I can get these 8s. Just gonna put these in these holes so I don't lose them. Pull this off with a flathead. Disconnect this here connector and take out this here deal, this plastic deal. All right. Oh, there must be something else attached to my radiator. Oh no, I got it. Radiator. Sweet. This car is so much better without a freaking radiator in there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab the new radiator and see what that looks like because the new radiator is where it's at. There's my wheel, by the way, that DB'd in the previous video.
That's a minor inconvenience.
That is minorly stupid. Fell off.
Oh my God.
I'm not lying when I told you it fell off. Let's see this mother doggo. All right, all right, all right. Ooh, look at this sensor. Ooh, that thing looks beautiful. Gonna throw the trash in my trash can. This shit frosty. I might have f***ed up.
What?
I don't know what the f that is.
That's transport for an automatic.
It looks so much cleaner in there without the freaking radiator. I want to just leave it out.
All of my grass right here is about to die.
I'm sorry. Careful, my intake's open. Man, if my car f***ing blows up, it's your fault. Let's put the water over here and put the intake over there.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Get set, go.
Where's that bottom one pointing?
Oh no,
The thermostat's not open yet.
When you say you didn't come inside, which you have to be pulled out.
Which he has to be pulled out.
My thermostat's not on yet.
If you didn't have a thermostat like me, you wouldn't have to worry about that.
I should just go ahead and take mine out. Run cold all the time. Dude, I really want to delete my AC system. It's really easy to do. I just got to do it because this shit's booty. I don't like it. Pull out my heater core, everything. It's probably going to have to run for a while.
Why are there pliers on your battery?
Because I use those to take off the, No, this is Po Boys. What are you scared of?
A ride!
Aw, man. Damn, I need motor mounts. This shit's still cold.
I was just trying to spend money.
Oh, it's getting a little warmer now. I can feel it.
Yeah, I mean, we redlined it.
Probably helped it out a little bit.
You put an underdrive pulley on that and a lightweight flywheel, like a really lightweight flywheel, this bitch will be bouncing off that regulator so fast.
Oh, it sucked my hand in, dog. I'm just watching that bottom one. As soon as water starts coming out of it, then that's when it opens.
I forgot your temperature sensor doesn't work. I went and checked it.
Need a new belt too. Dude, this head is so dirty. How does this head get so dirty? Like the outside of it. Not head, but like valve cover.
Degreaser and just spray the whole engine.
That's what I want to do, is just clean it all. I wonder if I can make it run weird by blowing in this. I really want to do that to this car. It's like a staple of my vehicles is I have to leaf blower charge it now. I'm waiting for this shit to open. Get hot, car. We have fire. We can like burn the fucking thermostat over.
All right, Bo, you hold this. I don't volunteer to distribute anymore.
Hey, it's supposed to suck from down here.
Wait, it sucks from down there?
Yeah, because the gravity fed.
Wait, so that means this bitch gonna throw out? Well, the water pump's right there.
It's gonna come out of one or the other.
One of us is gonna get we just gotta find out who.
In reality, it's just gonna be me, because I'm the only one standing at the front.
Oh shit. This intake literally looks like booty. I really don't like that intake. I'm gonna get a Holly high ram. I don't know if it was sucking or not. It's not. Something's happening?
Yeah, this is pulsating over here.
This one's pulsating too, but it's like weird. No, it takes forever for it to get up to temp. It's doing something.
Gurgling.
Oh, here we go. Stuff's happening.
Hola.
Oh, that.
On today's episode of Po Boys Unlimited, we are flushing.
Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. We're sucking in water. Ah! It's doing it very slow, but it's doing it. Wait, wait.
Hold yours down, Austin.
Got that bitch out.
There it goes. There it goes. Yep, there it goes.
Oh, there we go. There's some bad water.
Yep, now it's going.
Oh,
Now
yeah,
it's going.
baby. Now we're doing what we need.
That looks dirty. Ugh, look at it. It's throwing up down there.
Damn. On this episode of Polo Boys, we take
Why
my
is it
card,
smoking out of there?
take a sheet.
Whoa, there's a water.
That's a wasp?
What's up? What's up? Oh, what y'all saying? Hey.
It was literally just on my arm. Did the car turn off? Got more pictures of Petco. Okay, new radiator time. All right. So here's my old radiator and the fan that's on it. I need to transfer this fan to my new radiator and then slap the new radiator in the car. I just pushed something in my cup. 1, 2, and a clip, and 2 clip. Where are you? Where are you, clip 2? Oh, maybe there is another clip. There's only 1. On the new radiator, they gave me 2. I don't know why. There's my cap for the AC. I'll put that right there where it belongs. All right, now I got a cover for that. Even though I'm gonna delete it soon anyways, because we don't mess with that gang stuff. So if you have the wise words of Harry, apparently that's supposed to be like that, so. All right, yeah, we letting the best know that we go dumb on the West Coast. What? There we go. Now it's on there. All right, now I can put that new deal on there. All right, where is it? Where's the fan? There's a fan. So this is easy, simple, like so. You slide on. Slide on. Now I gotta tighten this doggo. So now I can put the new radiator on. Gotta be very careful not to puncture the radiator as you're installing it. Got a little bit of wiggle because you got to get around that battery box, but once it's in, it's in. And right now it's in. Now my radiator fan's plugged back in, put that there, put that plug in there so everything stays out of the way. Now I can grab this guy and put this guy back in. I'm actually gonna empty it because I know that there's trash in here. Oh my gosh, I'm happy I did that. Well, that guy goes right here. There we go. That was easy. All right, now I gotta put that there and get that screwdriver wherever it went. Tighten that back onto the radiator. Now I can get these 8s. Actually, scratch that. Those were 10s. Put one here, one here. Yep. There's 1. There's 2. Now I'll switch to the 8s and grab what I need to install that I put inside of the car because I was doing it over there. But then I switched to over here because this is where the stuff is. Where are the brackets? Oh, they just put them in here. Oh, they just put them doggos in here. I guess I'll have to find them in a second. Oh, there they are. I found the brackets. I just kicked everything. All right, there's the brackets. And this bug literally goes on here easy as Sunday morning. There's 1, and here is 2. Don't get them mixed up because it's hard to. Oh, that's never coming back. It's not even under the car. That's in my bumper somewhere. Oh, there it is. Come on. Oh yeah, got it. Got it. All right, L do. Power tool, L do. Now I put that mug in. Easy peasy lemons. All right, so there's one side, and then I need to put that hose on. Make them the wide mode. All right, now I can walk it down yonder. All right, one's on. Now I gotta get the second one on, which is fun because it's under. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to use these pliers. Hey, both ways. Freaking YouTube. I'm using yours. your deals. But on YouTube, the people that are watching, I need to replace my coolant temp sensor too because my temp doesn't show what I have temp wise, which is no bueno. All right, so I got a small pair of channel locks that might work hopefully, and of course they keep sliding. That's awesome. There we go. Get up over that fat bitch. Come on now. Yeah, get up in there. There we go. All right, now it's on. Freaking easy as Sunday morning. All right, now I get to put this shroud back on, which I probably could just do without, but all right. Yep. Well, I didn't need it anyways. Should I just fill it with water?
Yeah, I have some 10-year coolant in there.
Just fill it with water. It's a race car. You don't want to blow coolant off our radiator all over. Coolant all over the track.
See, my friend, it's just a 6. Has a very good answer. I'm ready to put coolant in my car. I want to get some sort of fluid in there so it doesn't blow up. That works.
How the f did you put all that shit on there and not touch no belt or anything?
What do you mean?
You getting the battery wet? Most battery turn on?
I don't care. All right. I forget there's an on and off switch on it. That would have been nice to remember. All right, so I gotta turn it back on. All right, now we're gonna bleed out the radiator, which should be very easy.
Hey, rev your shit up.
I do have a problem. I don't know where the cap to that reservoir is. I want to get these things freaking rolling. Okay, so one thing I don't understand, this isn't connected to the radiator at all, minus right here. Yeah. That's the only place it's connected to the radiator.
Yeah?
Why?
That tube where it's connected to goes all the way to the bottom of that radiator.
Oh, does it suck more fluid?
Yeah, whenever that thing starts going down and it's all under pressure, that creates a vacuum.
Oh, I got you. How do I know when that bitch is full? When it stops burping? I have yet to see it burp once, so.
That's kind of what it's doing right now.
Oh, there was a few. So we got the radiator cover on right here. We got the reservoir filled up. The car's good. We bleeded it out. It's done.